Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one of the common issue during versions creations. Generally, we create versions in SPRO, IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization. Here we will be doing versions. But when we are doing versions here, we are facing an issue like background jobs are still running. So it is showing only in the display mode. So we cannot change anything. It's in display mode. Okay. So I cannot do any addition here. Same issue. So now what to do? So click on this help button. In this case, there is a background job still running. So even though we are trying to kill that session, still it's not happening. So the best alternative is please take this T code OKEVN. Try to open that. Enter. So using this T code, you can do your configurations. You can maintain your versions with your fiscal year. Okay. So this is the alternative T code if you are facing the background job issue at the time of versions. Thank you all.